You don't eat the bow. He's eating the bow, honey.
Oh, no, that's not food. Hey, look. What is this? It says Noah. You want to open it? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch this. Wow. Look at it.
What's that?
This is the thing. This is the present.
Yeah.
This little piggy and other favorite action rhymes. You know this one? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay! Okay, and we'll do more later.
Yeah.
I don't know that one. If you're happy and you know it, we're gonna do that one next week.
It don't say amen on that one, so I'm not sure about that one.
I don't know these two. This little piggy, we do that one sometimes. Where is Thumpkin? We'll do that one, yeah. The wheels on the bus, we do that one sometimes. Oh, let's get this.
That's the nasty part, so I'm just gonna put the camera on me right now. Wow. It's Christmas. And Noah